Alright guys, welcome to our next C# tutorial. In this tutorial we want to look at mathematical operators and math things. The math operators in C# are to add, if you want to add two values, you use the plus. If you want to subtract two values, you use the minus. If you want to multiply some values, you use the star. And if you want to divide two values or more, then you use slash. Okay. As you can see here, I set up a little simple input system, and we are starting with the plus. If you want to say the summary is equal to var1 plus var2. If you print that out, value 1 is 5, value 2 is 10, and we get, there we need to add a plus. 5 plus 10 equals 15. Okay, there should be a plus. Subtracting values is the same way. 20 minus 5 is 15 also. Let's continue with multiply values. It's the same way. 3 times 5 is also 15. And dividing values is it's the same way. For example, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Don't want to use 15 all the time. Basically that is simple math, but we can also do like if we don't want the variable 2 and print only out the summary now, and we want to say the summary is equal to the summary, so equal to summary plus variable 1. So that means, for example, let me declare that in another way. Summary is equal to 0. Okay, so we are saying here 0 is so the summary, in our case 0, is equal to the current value, so 0 plus the value we enter. So if we say enter value 1, 20, it will be 20. If we say 10 and we enter 15, it will be 25. That's a way you can do it, but you can also do it in a shorter way. If you wanna add something to a variable, you don't need to assign that new like I did here. We can also use summary plus equals and then variable 1. That means add this to the summary. If we start it, remember summary is still 10. If we start this, 50, we get 60. That works the same way with all the other math expressions. So 50, we get minus 40, and times works also. 10, we get 100, and dividing works also. 2, we get 5. Yeah, that's basically all the simple math things. There's also, maybe we should look at that, a class called math, and you can see provides constant and static methods for trigonometric and that stuff. So we can use here math.abs and all that stuff. We have also the constant value math.py. We can use round, yeah, tangents, sinus, and all these cosinus, all this stuff. I'm not that good in math, so if you change that to a double, and we are saying summary equals math.cosinus var1, and we enter 10 here, you will see we get a 0.83971529076452. Yeah, but if you wanna do some complex math things, yeah, then you should look at the math class. For example, I'm doing some math things on my server here. For example, the W server, realm, and if you look at the pet level, this is some it's for Realm of the Mad God. The feed power calculation, this was made with the math class. Oops. It was, if I remember it correctly, yeah, there you can see it. If you use that, A is equal to 20, so 20 times 1 minus math.pow, R is 1.08, and yeah, let's add that here too. And the level is, in your case, the pet level. So for example, level 70 pet is, oh, oops. We're not using var1 at the moment. So for a level, so to max rare pet level 70 in Realm of the Mad God, only from level 70 to level 71 you need 54401 feet power in total. And yeah, that's our some basic math things. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, a rating would be much appreciated. And yeah, see you in the next episode. In the next episode we will look at functions like static void main and stuff like that. We will create our own functions, and yeah, then we will write our first calculator. So yeah, see you in the next episode, guys.